Have you ever had trouble finding the key of a song, an instrumental, a sample, or any piece of audio for that matter? Well, if that's the case, then I got something for you. And if you want to learn about it and what it is, then stick around after this introduction. Legend softly. Welcome everybody, I'm Dan Spencer and I am the Audio Sorcerer. So this is a channel where I teach you how to perfect your audio recording, mixing, and mastering skills. So if you want to improve upon any of those skills, get the latest product reviews, and even learn about music business, then make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss a video when it comes out. Now, without further ado, today we are talking about the Waves Key Detector plugin. So what does this thing do? Well, it does what it says in the title. It detects the key of any piece of audio you put into it, and it's so easy to use that I don't even have to show you how to use it, okay? We're not even gonna do a user interface portion of this video. And with that being said, what we're gonna do in the video is we're gonna test and see how good this thing is. So we're gonna test it on a piano instrumental, and then we're gonna test it on a regular instrumental with a bunch of tracks in it, okay? And then, if you stick around to the very end, I'm gonna show you a cool little bonus that this plugin can do, and you're not gonna wanna miss it, all right? Now, if you guys end up liking this plugin, I do have a link in the description below where you can go purchase it. And now that that is all out of the way, let's get into this video further and let's test this thing out. All right, so here we are in Pro Tools, and we are starting off with a piano instrumental. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the Waves Key Detector to the piano track here. So I'm going to search for key, that's the keyword, no pun intended. And we'll select Key Detector Stereo here because this is a stereo track. And let me drag it on over here. And this is what it looks like. So as soon as you open it, it is waiting to hear audio so it can detect the key for you. So this piano track is in the key of C, so let's see how well this does. All right, so it did end up settling on the correct key, which is C major. Now, the reason I chose this piano piece and this part of the piano piece is because, as you saw, it was on F major for a while. And the reason for that is because it needed some more notes to determine the key. So make sure that when you are using this, that you actually let your sample, you let your song, you let your instrumental, whatever, play for a while so that can actually get the right key, okay? So now, let's move on to testing this out on a full instrumental track. All right, so for this instrumental here, I'm going to add the Waves Key Detector to the master bus here. So just click here, search, do the key again, add Key Detector. And now it is waiting for audio. So this song is in the key of E minor. Let's see how it does. All right, so the Waves Key Detector did a really great job on that instrumental track there. It found the key within seconds. So now, as mentioned, I'm gonna show you a cool little bonus that comes with this plugin here, and you can see now how it interacts with other Waves plugins. Let's check it out. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to create a blank audio track, and let's just pretend that there's vocals on it. We'll make it mono, we'll call it Vox. And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to add on the first insert, I will add Waves Tune, the real-time version. And then let's just add Waves Harmony. And this order doesn't really matter, I'm just doing this for testing purposes. So Waves Harmony. Cool, so we're gonna open both of these up here. So we got Waves Tune here. See if I can fit these all here.
And then we're going to open up our key detector that we did initially. This is the same song that we did last, the instrumental. So you'll see that it is E minor. It stayed. That's what we, detected it was. So we're going to hit this transmit key button, and I want you to watch right here and then also right down here where my mouse is at, okay? Transmit key. Boom. This is now an E minor. The Waves tune is now an E minor here. So you can actually transmit this key to other Waves plugins, which is pretty darn awesome.
Alright, so there you have it. That was my review/tutorial on the Waves Key Detector plugin. So as you can see, it is very easy to use. It works really well, and there's just a lot of positives about it. Now for me, it's going to make my life so much easier because I'm the kind of person who, when a client sends me vocal tracks to tune, I go over there, I grab my guitar, and then I figure out the key. Now, it doesn't take me that long because I've been doing music theory for many years, but it's still kind of a hassle to do it that way. And now I can just, pop on this plugin here and find out the key in seconds. So that is fantastic. All right. So let me know what you guys think of this plugin in the comment section below. And there is also a link in the description below where you can go purchase it. All right. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe because I'm making this content for you, and hit that notification bell to know when I have new videos coming out. And if you did enjoy this content, definitely check out my review/tutorial on the Waves Clarity VX noise reduction plugin. All right. Until the next time, I will see you guys later, and peace out.